Hello friends, so today we will discuss about IVF. Is IVF painful? So whenever I advise IVF to my patients, what I see is that the first question they ask me is, ma'am, is this a painful procedure? So today I will let you know what is IVF, how it is done and why it is not painful. So IVF is a process where we take out the eggs from the woman's body, mix it with the husband's sperm, make the embryo and keep it back inside the uterus of the woman. So the process usually starts with daily injections for the eggs to develop, and these injections are completely painless. We do transvaginal sonography and see whether the eggs are ready or not. Once the eggs are ready, we proceed with the ovum pickup procedure, that is taking out the eggs from the woman's body. Now the ovum pickup procedure is completely painless as it is done under short general anesthesia. We pass the sonography probe through the vagina. The ovum pickup needle is attached to the probe. Under sonography guidance, we puncture the follicles, put suction and take out the eggs. Since the woman is under anesthesia, she doesn't feel anything, and post-operatively also there is no pain. She can go home after 2-3 hours of the procedure and she can do all her normal activities. So in the lab, we mix the egg with the sperm and make the embryo and then we freeze it. So nowadays we follow a freeze-all technique where we don't do the transfer in the same cycle, because a freeze-all technique increases our chances of success and significantly decreases ovarian hyperstimulation. So in the subsequent cycle, we give oral medicines to the patient for the uterus lining to develop. Once the lining is ready, we do the embryo transfer. Now the embryo transfer process is completely painless. Under sonography guidance, this process is done. We load the embryos in the ET catheter, which is a very thin tube. We pass the tube through the cervix, and under sonography guidance, we release the embryos inside the uterus of the woman. After the procedure, the woman can go back home and she can do all her normal activities and she does not need any rest. After 10 days of the procedure, we do a blood test and we come to know whether the patient is pregnant or not. So it is as simple as that, and throughout the procedure, the woman does not feel pain in any point. Once she is pregnant, the pregnancy also behaves like a normal pregnancy and she does not need any extra precaution. So friends, IVF is painful. This is a myth. IVF is completely painless, and the pregnancy which results out of IVF is also like a normal pregnancy. Thank you.